Welcome back everybody. Let's talk about the 2024 GMC AEV Sierra Grande. This is a concept vehicle AEV and GMC teamed up together for SEMA. So let's get into it. First, let's just start in the front. So in the front, you're getting the AT4X front stamped steel bumper from AEV, but the concept part's gonna be the brush grille that houses the 4 AEV 7000 lights. Then they integrated the front camera right onto that brushed grille. Then you work your way over to the side, you're gonna get the AEV snorkel to pump in that fresh air to that Duramax diesel. Just working our way around, you get this 8-foot aluminum tray bed that all sides collapse down for easy access into the tray. And then cool thing about the tray bed is that you don't have the wheel well arches, so you just get complete storage inside without the wheel wells taking up any room, which is pretty nice. And you do get a full-size spare tire. If you see it in the back, it's against the window there. They mounted up the full 40-inch tire, so you have the spare. And then when you get to the back of it, you get the AEV details, you get the fog lights, you get a 9,500 pound come-up winch, you're getting recovery points, right? So everything you expect from AEV. And then of course, you're getting the 40-inch BF Goodrich tires on this thing. They had to trim up the front wheel wells a little bit to fit them, and then of course the tray bed, they just open up for all the room. But it's pretty cool to see that they're stuffing a 40-inch tire. So if you're familiar with the Ram Prospector XL, it's very similar to that. Then on the inside, it's your 2024 Sierra HD interior, regular cab style. But on the headrest, you're gonna get the AEV logos. Back to working our way around the bed. You're gonna have your DEF fluid, diesel tube, and then 2 buttons, one for bed lights and one for the compressor. And you can see the compressor plug-in right there. They just hide the compressor underneath the bed there. And underneath, you're getting the GMC AT4X AEV suspension. So that's what you're seeing underneath, that multi-matic shocks and all that. And then from here, I'm just gonna let you check out the rest of the photos. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.